This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max in gold with 512 gigabytes of storage. I've never had a really big phone before. I've always ever had the smaller versions. That is a really heavy box. I have never had a box this heavy. And it's huge. Wow. It's such a big phone. And of course you have that gold text here. This might be the last gold phone in a while. Like, Apple might bring back the gold in a few years, but who knows, you know? So this was the 14 Pro box. Gorgeous. It's so pretty. Here's your silent, here's your volume, here's your charging, here's your power. There's a SIM card tray. The sides are definitely gold. The back is more like a beige. So if there's no light, it would look like a little bit like an off-white, but if you see like the sunlight, it's more like a golden color. So depending on what the lighting looks like. Now I'm holding it, it definitely feels quite heavy, like, to be honest. Of course, there's a cutout here because those cameras are huge. Which is this? Here's a SIM ejector, which I won't be needing because I basically switched to eSIM now. Like, I'm used to eSIM now, so. And I already have an Australian phone number, so it wouldn't make sense to switch to a physical SIM card now. I personally use Felix. I only pay like $25 a month, and I get 25 gigabytes of data every single month. And another cool thing about Felix is that if I don't use up all 25 gigabytes, then I actually get to transfer that data that I haven't used over to the next month. You can get 50 gigabytes of data for $30 a month, or you can also get an unlimited amount of data for $40 a month. Each one of these plans comes with unlimited text and unlimited calling. If you want to call internationally, an additional $5 a month. So if you sign up using the link below in my description box, you actually get $35 of credit. So you don't even have to pay anything basically for your first month. I'll just like put that referral code somewhere on the screen. So Felix also supports eSIM as well as a physical SIM card. Be sure to check them out. So I'm gonna actually set my location as the US. So I like it month, day, year, so I'm gonna go set my location as the USA. I'm gonna compare the size to my iPhone XS. I think the most noticeable feature is definitely the cameras. They're so big now. Battery health 100%. I do like Dynamic Island though. I like how interactive it is. I just like seeing things like pop up on it. I think it's just useful because when it's a notch, it's just there. Dynamic Island, it feels like there's a purpose for it. I want to play some like non-copyrighted stuff. I have a package from Amazon. It's a case and a screen protector and a camera lens protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It is also a MagSafe case. It's a clear one just so that I can show off the color of this. It's so pretty. There's instructions for the screen protector, which I will probably read later. This is for the camera lens. And I think it comes with 2 screen protectors, 2 camera lens protectors. You can get it on Amazon for 20 Australian dollars. I'll link that down below if you're interested. This is the camera protector. It's the same size as the regular 14 Pro size, so I can actually just reuse those. The screen protectors, and it's also by Jet Tech. I've never got anything from this brand before, so I don't really know what to expect. Oh, if you see here, there's also that little speaker cutout here up here as well on the case itself. There's no frosted clear or anything. It's actually perfectly clear. And it also protects the screen a little bit because if you see there's a little rim here. So if you put it face down, it'll just protect the screen. And also a rim here as well for the camera. MagSafe, I stick on a wallet here. Super strong magnets too, actually. It literally will not budge. It's so strong. It looks really good on it. But yeah, this is definitely a deal.